Hello everyone. Do you own a vacation home? In Home Care Menorca, we take care of managing your property or apartment. You will have a greater number of reservations and optimal profitability. We contact and give the keys to your guests, who will enjoy our 24-hour attention throughout their entire stay. Hire the complete management and forget about problems. In addition, at Home Care Menorca, we publish your property in a multitude of agencies and specialized websites, ensure the maximum possible visibility, and offering a professional photographic session included, up-to-date calendar, and competitive pricing study. How? Very easy. Throughout the year we establish rates at the highest possible price, according to the demand and the dates, to achieve a good occupancy. And don't worry about anything, since in the complete management pack we include the cleaning service that takes care of everything. We have an extra maintenance service both for the home and for the pool and gardens. We also offer other services such as interior decoration, supply of bed linen, processing of tourist licenses, management of police records, house reforms, and kitchen design. Get the maximum profitability for your villa or apartment without worries. Home Care Menorca. Always by your side for whatever you need.